Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin with 2 essentials: the app updated and your account active. Once that's done, decide whether you want sleep mode on a schedule or tied to bedtime. Open your profile and tap the menu icon, then go to Settings, Privacy, and choose Sleep Mode. You do this because sleep mode limits notifications and message previews, reducing interruptions. Make sure to review permission prompts when first activating. This sets the stage so the feature can actually silence distractions at the right time. Now configure the timing and exceptions. Select daily, weeknight only, or custom hours. Tap start and end times to fine-tune. Once set, decide why exceptions matter. Allow close friends or essential message replies so urgent contacts still reach you. Also adjust notification previews and enable auto-replies if you want people to know you're unavailable. You should test the delay settings with one contact to confirm behavior. Doing this prevents missed emergencies while preserving quiet. Activate sleep mode and watch for the confirmation banner or status icon on your profile. This verifies it's on. Once activated, test with a friend or secondary account to confirm DMs are delayed, previews hidden, and auto-replies sent. If things go wrong, restart the app first, then check notification permissions and background app refresh. If that fails, reinstall Instagram. Most issues resolve, and only then contact support. Remember, verification avoids surprises, and these troubleshooting steps fix the common roadblocks quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.